Are you ready to give your home a fresh new look without breaking the bank? Here are 10 cheap DIY projects around the house that will increase your home's value and make it feel more luxurious. No matter your budget or DIY experience level, these simple and affordable updates will transform any space in your house. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you've just discovered a space where we dive deep into the fascinating realms of minimalism, frugal living, affirmations, and so much more. If these topics captivate you and you find value in the content, please show your support by liking this video and taking a moment to subscribe. Your support helps us grow and reach more people who are interested in these life-enhancing topics. Let's dive into these exciting projects that are sure to elevate the vibe of your home. Create an inviting entryway. The entryway is the first impression your home makes, both for you and your guests. A well-designed entryway isn't just practical, it sets the mood for everyone entering your home. This project is not only cost-effective, but also adds significant appeal and value to your home. You don't need a lot of money or time to create an inviting entryway that welcomes everyone with style. 2. Add textured patterns to your doors. Update your old-fashioned doors with textured patterns, whether they're closet doors, pantry doors, or barn doors. Adding texture to your doors is a simple yet impactful way to bring a modern touch to your home. You can find materials ranging from $20 to $60 per door, making this a cost-effective DIY project that requires only a few hours of your time. 3. Experiment with wallpaper. Don't be afraid to try out bold wallpaper designs. Whether you go for maximalist patterns that combine fun and elegance or opt for more subtle, neutral tones, wallpaper can transform any room. This project is all about letting your personality shine through your home decor, and it's an affordable way to make a big impact. With countless styles and colors available, you can customize your spaces to reflect your tastes. 4. Upgrade light fixtures. Lighting plays a critical role in setting the mood and ambiance of a room. Replace outdated fixtures or add new ones to give your space a fresh, modern feel. If you don't have a nearby power source, consider using rechargeable bulbs. Multiple light sources can create a warm, cozy atmosphere that will make any room feel inviting and stylish. 5. Transform your space with curtains. Curtains can dramatically change the look and feel of a room. Whether you choose neutral tones for a calm environment or vibrant colors for a pop of excitement, curtains are a great way to accessorize your space. If you already have curtains, try raising the rod closer to the ceiling and opting for longer curtains to give the illusion of a larger, more open space. 6. Upgrade faucets and hardware. Replacing your kitchen cabinet handles and bathroom vanity knobs with more luxurious modern hardware is an easy way to refresh these spaces. You can do this update for as little as $50 to $200, depending on the style and quantity of hardware you choose. For another inexpensive home improvement project, swap out basic builder-grade faucets for more stylish options. Quality faucets are available for less than $35 on Amazon. 7. Paint some doors. Never underestimate the power of a fresh coat of paint. Painting your doors is a simple and affordable way to transform your home. With a little paint, you can breathe new life into tired spaces and create a more cohesive look throughout your home. This DIY project is budget-friendly and can make a noticeable difference in the overall aesthetic of your space. 8. Frame your mirrors. Adding frames to your mirrors, whether they are on closet doors, in bathrooms, or in any other room, brings elegance and sophistication. This is something builders should do, but now you have the chance to complete the look yourself. Framed mirrors tie a room together beautifully and enhance its overall appearance. 9. Paint your cabinets and vanities. If you haven't already painted your cabinets and vanities, now's the time. This can be done yourself or by a professional, depending on your budget and skill level. Painting is one of the most dramatic transformations you can make in a room, offering a refreshing new look. Imagine walking into your laundry room or bathroom and feeling the joy of a freshly painted space. 10. Add texture with planks. Plank accent walls in spaces like kitchen islands, fireplaces, entryways, or hallways add texture and character to your home. These elements contribute to a high-end look and feel, making your space unique and inviting. This small improvement project can be easily completed on a budget and adds significant value to your home. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more content like this. Join our community and let's continue this journey towards a more mindful and frugal lifestyle together. Thanks again for your support. See you in the next video soon. Take care.